Good morning, students. This is a special video to tell you or let you know about the World War One. Children, in class, I can't go in details as we have very less time limit. So, I have made this special video and I am going to explain you about First World War. See, there were two wars, World War One and World War Two. The First World War started in Europe in the year 1914, okay, and it ended in the year 1918. How did First World War begin? See, the entire Europe got divided into two groups, okay. One group was of England, France, and another group was of Germany and Austria-Hungary. It happened that in the southern part of Europe, there is a country called Serbia. Okay, this small country has its coastal region. It opens in the Mediterranean Sea. Now, the Germany, Austria, Russia, all these countries were willing to win Serbia, colonize Serbia, and get entry in the sea. All this region earlier were a part of Ottoman Empire. Okay, but all these countries slowly started getting independence. Serbia got independence. Okay, and Russia was willing to win Serbia, expand in Serbia, because Austria and Serbia both are having same boundaries, means they share their boundaries. Austria, Serbia share their boundary. Russia was also willing to win Serbia because Russia having the people of Slav race. In Serbia also there are the people of Slav race. रशियामध्ये स्लॅव वंशाचे लोक राहत होते, सर्बियामध्ये पण स्लॅव वंशाचे लोक राहत होते. मग रशियाला वाटायचं की सर्बिया आपल्या ग्रुपमध्ये यायला पाहिजे, आपण सर्बिया जिंकायला पाहिजे. ऑस्ट्रिया वॉज विलिंग टू विन सर्बिया बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया वॉज द कॉमन बॉर्डर ना, so it was easy to expand in Serbia. Now it happened like that. The crown prince of Austria, Rajputra Austriaचा, visited Serbia and one Serbian nationalist killed him. Okay, it happened on 27 June it happened. The crown prince of Austria was killed. So Austria told Serbia, you have killed our crown prince, you surrender. We are giving you 48 hours time to surrender. Otherwise, Austria is going to attack on Serbia and we will win Serbia. Now, Serbia was a very small nation, but Russia was the big brother, na? Russia said, no problem. Russia is the big brother. Our only people are there in Serbia, same race. So, if anyone attacks on Serbia, Russia is going to help. Then Germany and Austria were friends. Germany said, if it is like that, then Germany will help Austria. Okay. So, one side, Russia, Serbia, another side, the Germany, Austria. England said, please solve the problems at the local level. Don't make it a war. Solve it. But no one was ready to listen. Austria said 48 hours, follow our demands, fulfill our demands, accept our demands, and demobilize your army. Austria said to Serbia. Serbia said, no, you demobilize your army. Demobilize means सैन्य माघारी घ्या. Both the countries were not ready to. Both the countries' army was on the border face to face. No one was ready. So the war began. Okay. 27 June, the crown prince was killed. 28 July, Serbia and Austria started the war. And in the month of September, 3rd September, the Germany entered in the war. Okay. England entered in the war, sorry. England on 3rd September declared the war. So now Germany, Austria one side and Serbia, Russia, England another side. In this way the war began. Germany quickly attacked on France, won France, and started winning other parts and started moving towards Russia also to defeat Russia. Okay. In the meanwhile, it happened like that. The German submarine, submarine. Hmm. German submarines were attacking on the ships in the sea, in the Atlantic Ocean. America's ships were also helping the European wars. Here, America was not in the war. America was not the part of war. We know American continent far away from Europe. It is the war of Europe. Why America will enter? So America was supplying war materials. Because of First World War and Second World War, America became superpower. What America did, England, France, Russia, Austria, Germany, all were fighting. They were needing so many things in the war. Americans, day and night, were working in their factories and providing all these things to these countries. So, one submarine, its name was Lusitania. This submarine of America, in which 1717 Americans were killed. Germany attacked on this Lusitania, this ship, this, and 1717 Americans were killed. So America got enraged, and America declared war against Germany and entered into First World War. It happened in the year 1917, 1717. 14 war started. 17 America entered. Children, till 17, Germany's side was strong. Germany was going to win. Okay, after the entry of America, then England and France became strong. If America would have not entered in the First World War, England would have lost it. It was a heavy economic blow on England. The young generation of England died in this war. देशाचे सगळे तरुण युद्धात मेले. Population is a small country. So, in this way, the war, when America entered, the England and France, their side became strong. And Russia also started defeating Germany. Okay, and Russia defeated Germany. Germany entered in Russia, Russia defeated Germany. And then in the year 1818, the First World War came to an end. And the year 1918, the First World War came to an end. 1918, First World War ended. 1919, the League of Nations was formed. American President Woodrow Wilson said that there should be one organization which will keep watch on all the countries, which will help and support the small, poor, undeveloped countries. Okay, because the powerful nation, big nations are attacking on small nation and winning them and expanding their countries, empire building. So don't build big empires. Don't attack on small and undeveloped countries. Every country is important. Every country's sovereignty, independence is important. On the basis of all these principles, he presented 14 principles. One of the important principle was to give independence to the colonies. But England, France were not ready to give independence to their colonies. One of the principle was to form League of Nations. There should be one organization which will keep control on all the countries. Their greed to win maximum countries, their greed of making a big empire, their greed to become a powerful country, only is responsible for these world wars. So, League of Nations should be established. League of Nations was established. Now, children, with whose help England and France won First World War? America. But America was not the part of League of Nations. America said it is European politics. We are Americans. Why we should enter in European politics? We are happy with our country, our continent. We don't want to be a part of League of Nations. So America, a very big country, was not in League of Nations. Who were there? All these England, France, Germany, Japan, all this. Now, these countries, England, France, Russia, Germany, all Italy, these countries were having their own colonies. So they were not ready to give independence to their colonies. First thing. Second thing, they were expansionist. They were willing to expand their countries, their kingdoms, their empires. Okay. And at the same time, it happened that in Japan, then in Italy, and in Germany, dictatorial rule began. Dictatorship began. In Spain also. And in this way, these dictators, how they grabbed the power, how Hitler or Mussolini, Hitler was of Germany, Germany's president, chancellor. Mussolini was the president of Italy. These people started telling their people, these leaders started telling their people, who is important? Nation is important. Okay, you should sacrifice your life for the nation. Okay, once we become the king or the president of our country, chancellor of our country, we will expand our country. We will bring all those the places under our control. Okay, and we will bring the lost glory. Children, what happened? After the First World War, different treaties were signed with different countries. Germany lost, Austria lost, Turkey lost. Very insulting treaty were done with these countries. Many parts of Germany, Austria, and this Turkey were distributed among England, France, England, France, these countries. Now Italy was also in this group. Italy got nothing. Italy fought. Italy, many Italians died, sacrificed life, fought bravely till the end. But England and France only got all the profit, all the important places. They didn't give anything to Italy. No importance. Japan also. Japan helped, but Japan also not got a lot of importance. Same treatment was not given. More importance was given to England, France, and less importance was given to Italy and Japan. So Italy and Japan were unhappy. Germany, maximum parts of Germany were the borders of Germany and France. Germany and France share their borders. Some parts of Germany where the coal mines were given to France. Some part of Germany was kept no man's land. Okay, Poland, a new nation was made. A part of Germany, new nation, Poland. All these things were done. So again, there was dissatisfaction. Germany was not happy. German people were not happy. They were forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles. Pratham, after First World War, whatever treaty was signed with Germany, because Germany was found guilty for the war. Germany was responsible for the war. It was decided that because of Germany, First World War took place. Lakhs of people died, children. Young generation of England died. Young generation started moving towards the alcohol and all those addictions because those young ages, 18 to 30, whatever the ages, they saw 4 years continuously blood, death, sorrow, unhappiness. Okay, so problem of widow, so many things started in Europe, so many problems were there. Germany was forced to sign the Treaty of Versailles. Okay, Versailles is the palace in Berlin, near Berlin. 12 miles away from Berlin is a palace of Versailles, the palace of mirrors. Here, this insulting treaty was signed. Germany was forced to pay so many taxes, a lot of money Germany had to give to England and France because of Germany war started. So there was a lot of tax burden on Germany. Germany's land was distributed among the winners, victorious countries. So Germany felt very insulting. Especially German army felt it very insulting. German army thought we fought, we gave our life, and what we got? So much insult. Again we will unite, we will fight. And so Second World War took place. Hitler was born. He used to give very dynamic speeches. Okay, very cruelly he ruled over Germany. Same happened in Italy. Italy also said, we gave our life, we sacrificed, we fought 4 years, and what we got? Nothing. All important places were taken by England and France. We got nothing. Japan also same. Okay, so in Second World War, These two countries, no, Italy and Japan, they were here. They came in Germany's group. Okay, let it be. We will learn that in next video. So, First World War. Why League of Nations was not successful? Because first thing, America was not the part of League of Nations. America was the superpower. England and France economy was weakened. After First World War, England and France economy was so weak. Why England survived? Because India was its biggest colony. So British were not ready to give us independence. If they would have given up us independence, then England would have thrown into the darkness of poverty and problems. So England and France, okay, these two countries were not ready to give independence to their colonies. America was not the part. And Germany, Italy, Japan, and Germany became expansionist. Hitler, Mussolini, and Japan, they started expanding, they started attacking on nearby, and no one was there to stop them. Okay, because of these things, the Second World War began. Okay, children, I hope some concept at least are clear about First World War. And if still there are some doubts, you can ask me tomorrow. I will explain it to you. Okay, till then, take care. Goodbye.